Welcome back to Think Fast. Ready to give your brain a quick workout? Let's see how sharp your math skills really are with this fun and beginner-friendly quiz. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Think Fast for more exciting and brain-boosting quizzes every week. What is 5 plus 3? Answer A, 8. What is 9 minus 4? Answer C, 5. What is 6 times 1? Answer C, 6. What is 10 divided by 2? Answer B, 5. What is 4 plus 7? Answer C, 11. What is 8 minus 6? Answer B, 2. What is 3 times 2? Answer B, 6. What is 12 divided by 4? Answer C, 3. What is 7 plus 2? Answer A, 9. What is 5 times 2? Answer B, 10. What is 15 minus 5? Answer B, 10. What is 9 divided by 3? Answer C, 3. What is 2 plus 6? Answer B, 8. What is 6 divided by 2? Answer B, 3. What is 3 plus 5? Answer C, 8. What is 4 times 2? Answer C, 8. What is 10 minus 2? Answer B, 8. What is 18 divided by 6? Answer B, 3. What is 7 minus 5? Answer A, 2. What is 5 plus 4? Answer B, 9. Medium level. What is 25 plus 17? Answer A, 42. What is 50 minus 26? Answer A, 24. What is 6 times 7? Answer A, 42. What is 81 divided by 9? Answer B, 9. What is 13 plus 19? Answer A, 32. What is 72 divided by 8? Answer C, 9. What is 8 times 6? Answer A, 48. What is 99 minus 56? Answer C, 43. What is 45 plus 36? Answer A, 81. What is 12 times 3? Answer A, 36. What is 100 minus 45? Answer A, 55. What is 64 divided by 8? Answer B, 8. What is 18 plus 27? Answer A, 45. What is 56 minus 29? Answer B, 27. What is 9 times 4? Answer A, 36. What is 48 divided by 6? Answer C, 8. What is 21 times 2? Answer A, 42. What is 90 divided by 10? Answer B, 9. What is 66 minus 33? Answer C, 33. What is 29 plus 14? Answer A, 43. Hard level. What is 123 plus 89? Answer C, 212. What is 150 minus 87? Answer B, 63. What is 23 times 4? Answer A, 92. What is 144 divided by 12? Answer A, 12. What is 75 times 2? Answer A, 150. What is 98 plus 105? Answer A, 203. What is 250 minus 123? Answer A, 127. What is 36 times 3? Answer A, 108. What is 225 divided by 5? Answer B, 45. What is 312 plus 198? Answer A, 510. What is 180 divided by 6? Answer A, 30. What is 78 times 2? Answer A, 156. What is 400 minus 123? Answer B, 277. What is 102 plus 205? Answer A, 307. What is 56 times 4? Answer A, 224. What is 360 divided by 9? Answer A, 40. What is 240 plus 125? Answer B, 365. What is 300 divided by 12? Answer A, 25. What is 99 times 2? Answer B, 198. What is 150 plus 275? Answer B, 425. Thanks for watching the video.